In this presentation, we will discuss Company Law Settlement Scheme 2014, MCA Journal Circular Number 34, 2014. Company Law Settlement Scheme 2014 is a good opportunity for companies who had not filed annual returns. Discuss why this is a good opportunity. In the present, if the company which has already failed to file annual forms and now wants to file balance sheet, profit and loss account, annual returns, they have to pay normal as well as additional fees penalty which may be beyond expectations, and they shall be liable for prosecution. Thus, the CLSS 2014 would be a good opportunity to the defaulting company to file belated document with reduced additional fees of 25% of actual additional fee payable as per Section 403 of Company Act 2013. What are the benefits of Company Law Settlement Scheme? Businesses can avail the following benefits: immunity from prosecution for delayed filing, a reduced additional fee of 25% of the actual additional fee payable as per Section 403 of the Company Act 2013, escape for directors, disqualification under Section 164(2) of the Company Act 2013. For defaulting inactive companies to get their companies declared as dormant company under Section 455 of the Act by filing E-Form MSC 1 at 25% of the fee for the same form. To apply for strike off the name of the company by filing E-Form FTE at 25% of the fee payable on Form FTE. Applicability of Company Law Settlement Scheme 2014. Any defaulting company is permitted to file belated documents which were due for filing till 30th June 2014 in accordance with the provisions of this scheme. Which E-Form CLS shall be applicable? CLSS shall be applicable to the following E-Forms only: Form 20B, form for filing annual return by a company having share capital; Form 21A, particulars of annual return for the company not having share capital; Form 23AC, 23ACA, 23AC XBRI, and 23ACA XBRE, form for filing balance sheet and profit and loss account. Form 66, form for submission of compliance certificate with registrar; Form 23B, form for intimation for the appointment of auditors. To which cases Company Law or Settlement Scheme shall not be applicable? Company Law or Settlement Scheme shall not apply in the following cases: to company against which action for striking off the name under subsection 5 of Section 560 of Company Act 1956 has already been initiated by the Registrar of Companies, or where any application has already been filed by the company for action of striking off name from the Register of Companies, or Company law settlement scheme shall not apply where application have been filed for obtaining dormant status under Section 455 of the Company Act 2013 and to vanishing companies. Procedure for filing application under Company law settlement scheme. Application for seeking immunity in respect of belated document shall be filed in the e-form CLSS 2014. The designated authority means the registrar shall consider the application and upon being satisfied grant immunity certificate. The scheme shall come into force on the 15th August 2014 and shall remain in force up to 15th October 2014. At the conclusion of the scheme, the registrar shall take necessary action against the Company Act 1956 or 2013 against the company who have not availed this scheme and are in default in filing these documents in timely manner. Hope the presentation is useful for you. In case of any other query, you can simply ask us through email or call us on the mentioned number.